若舊有記憶，不可以用慢鏡拍低，隨時代變遷，快樂流逝，並沒有什麼好比友情難以取替。
好快就嚟到4年嘅時間，歡迎嚟到今晚畢業嘅聚餐。功課 project 真係好難，辛苦咗咁耐都係為咗今晚啊！
而家嘅心情好難形容，我知你哋一定都好感動。祝你哋 Happy Graduation，Congratulation，Congratulation！
澳大好多女，
小學雞的肉醬飯啊，好難吃啊！
我女朋友，有咁仲有我哋好多 professor 啦，咁因為我哋係就好多同好多 professor 都係會搞足我哋4年嘅，咁都好感謝佢哋啦。
我最難忘就係澳大嘅 P&O system。你 add 中個科其實同撞鬼一樣都係緣分，你無論花幾多心機都好，最後都係一個概率，而呢個概率係永遠少於0.01㗎。
多謝澳門大學俾呢個機會認識好多同類型嘅朋友。係啦，咁喺呢4年裏邊，我哋識咗好多同我哋差唔多高度嘅朋友，一見投緣喎，歡迎佢哋啦！
讀咗大學咁多年，我覺得最難忘嘅就係要留喺澳大做 project 做到通頂咯，真係好難忘呢個真係。
雖然真係雖然咁多壓力啦 ，final project 啦，跟住又真係好煩嘅，有時真係。但係點講呢？你呢一種辛苦係令到你開心之餘，亦都係你人生嘅成長上面真係對你好有幫助，同埋呢啲壓力真係令到你個人成長咗好多咯。所以呢4年真係好開心，唔捨得畢業。
咁我就想咧喺畢業之前能夠可以着住條 under 喺澳大跑一圈啦。
Hello 阿圖啊，我想去嘅地方啊，太平洋移民咯。
我喺下年就可能結婚㗎啦，咁多謝大家一齊喺網絡瘋傳我哋張相啦，咁啊多謝支持我呢個行動啦，咁就下年有機會嘅再俾段 video 你哋睇睇啦。
別了依然相信，以後有緣再聚。
Congratulations to all of you. Have good lives. Behave. Oh, thank you.
Enjoy graduation day. It's a very sunny day.
Yes,
have a nice drink. Have a nice lunch afterwards. And hope to see you all back again in Macau or somewhere else.
Maybe, yes. And then come to the master program so I can still fail you. Yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and I am very proud of their success and their great achievement, and I wish them all the best for the future.
Today's a really special day and we have graduates everywhere graduating. So congratulations, they've worked hard and it's all now coming to an end. I certainly wish you the best and great blessings. Bye.
完之後啊，希望成功啦，做一個社會上成功嘅人士啦，可以翻嚟澳大為澳大啲大學會做榜樣啦。繼續努力，就算係畢咗業之後都要繼續學嘢嘅，唔係大學生涯停咗就唔使學嘢嘅，學海無涯啊嘛。好。
明年今日跳咗失眠，撞喐都改變。如果有幸會